Okay, first today I'll show you how to settings the advanced point of sale settings. First click here configurations, or you can find it from settings, and this is the general information. This one will not display in your receipt. Remember, this one will not display in receipt. First you have to create a terminal. Here, how to create a terminal: just fill up all informations like this. This is the informations and provincial tax rate. Look at that here. There is no tax, and here is the difference, and this one also difference. So it's up to you, depend on your province tax rate, discount rate, and your store discount rate. This is the store name, terminal name, or branch name, and save it. From this tab you can edit anytime. But remember, this is the branch name, so there is no space allowed. If your name like this, will not allow. So put hash button and save it, and go to user, manage user. Now I am using admin. Let's have a look. Admin assign Montreal. This is the branch name for this user. I'll open another user. This one, another user is Windsor. So it should be difference. Must, when you create a new user, you have to assign a store location. Otherwise you will not complete your transaction, and you cannot complete a sales register, because here tax information, discount needed. So click here, that is another user. So that's how you have to do first settings. So remember, this is just general informations, and this one will be those information will be reflect in your statement. One thing I will show you. This is today report. So today report, click here and then click print button. Now as you can see here, this is Montreal informations. If I change those information on the Montreal side, click here, see this changes, this one new changes. Okay, see. So whenever you have to change the store information, must be in terminal list. Just click here and edit it, whatever. If you wanna add a new terminal, just click here or add new and save it. Okay, let's start how to add a new item. This is add a new item. So you can add barcode should be individual, and then name, product name, pro 1, and quantity. This is the cost of purchasing. This is the cost. This is purchase or buy. is $15 and sale price is $20. If you want to allow a discount, should be discounted, and then select category, apply tax, should be okay. And this is a kitchen display item. Here is a kitchen display. Here this is a kitchen display. After sale, you can see those items in the kitchen. Only waiter can see those items. So if kitchen item, just select kitchen item, otherwise leave empty. Okay, so that's okay. So successfully add to store. Here is the latest one. You can delete it here. This is the delete button. Okay, later how to increase the quantity. Now we have a 12 item. Okay, so you can let's change the date and you can increase the quantity. So successfully done to see the purchase details. See here, this is the purchase detail just now. This one's we enter new and later increase the details. So let's go to check how much we have now in stock. Before was 12, now is 20 in our stock. Okay, if you want you can delete it, and this is the new item. You can check this one is working or no. So this is working. Okay, and here discount also apply. Discount apply, and also tax applies 40%, 14% for Montreal locations, as you declare here is a 14%. 14%. Remember this tax apply based on user assign. I'm logging with admin. So you can see here is a login with admin. So this is the admin store locations, user location is Montreal. That's why it's 14%, because Montreal branch tax, regional tax is 14%. You declare that, and this discount is item discount. If item is without discount, let's say here is a discount rate is 0, so here is no discount. Okay, there is no discount, but tax apply. Tax free item, you can check tax free item. This is tax free, no discount, no tax free. This is food item. This one you can check it here. There is no tax, no discount. That's why no tax, no discount. Overall, you can later you can add overall discount, whatever. Okay, let's go how to add a bulk item. Here is a bulk item import. First, you have to download template and add whatever. Oh, I forget to add a picture. Here you can add a picture. Okay, you just browse and add a picture. This is the picture, and then import bulk item. First you have to download and import it. So this is the Excel sheet. Just download here exactly, and remember this one should be unique, and then save. If any conflict, just edit it. Okay, I'll show you one thing here. Okay, and then bulk item has been saved. Let's go copy this one, and we can try to find it here. Sorry, it's copy over. So this is the new item we just had. You can check it here. Okay, so you have to download first template and then fill up all informations and upload this Excel sheet and press the button. It's very simple and easy. And how to edit item, this is very simple. Just click here and edit. And if you want to increase quantity, you can increase quantity here, but it will not reflect in your purchase story. But if you want to purchase item, just edit. First you have to add how to purchase. I will show you how to purchase item. First you have to add item. Add item and leave it 0 or 1. Okay, leave it 0 or 1 or how whatever purchase. And then later if you want to purchase same item, but you don't need to be fill up all information. Let's say you have already this information in your stock, so later your stock already finished. Okay, let's say out of stock here. I don't see any out of stock, but if you wanna edit this information, if you wanna add those stock, so just edit this one. Now how many here? 263. So we can add here 10 more. Just remember this one. And then so here how many? Now 10 item increase, and you can print details from this to a purchase report. How to add a customer? Just click here and add customer and select customer. Or if supplier, you can select supplier. If biller, you can select biller. This supplier bill to actually biller and customer is the same thing, but sometimes it's different. That's why. Or and then you see here details. You can edit, and as you can see here, how to check customer details. So go to customer reports, find the customer name. Let's say guest. This is guest. Click here details, customer purchase information, and click here if is there any due by customer. Is there any due by customer? So let's say this is the due. So you can find it here with invoice number 4 and this is the receipt amount, and how much is due is 1.5. So invoice number 4, how to receive a due? Just click here due, put invoice number 5 and 1.5. So just save it and update the information. And find the gas. I don't think it's, look at that here, there is no due, actually 1.5 is gone. Or you can filter by number 4, invoice number here, says all paid. This is the pay list, it's payment list, due payment history. There is no payment history. Okay. If there are any due, you can see the due payment history. So number 4, you can see the due payment history. So one important thing is how to sell item. As you know, the sell item. Click here or press barcode or scan here. Okay. If item available, it will be automatically come here. So let's say on payment and then press so is here $60 print and save and print or print preview. These options later you can print level from today's sales. From today's sales list, so click here, print receipt. Okay, how to create invoice? Click add sales and add item. Fill up all the information, same as like a sales register. Click and then select warehouse. So this is invoice. You can find the print preview. This is the print preview. We have a quick sales here. Same, it's a very small window, similar. And then print preview or save it. That's it. And you can find all the report from a report. This is the business intelligence tools, top sales items, and here is the top sales item. This one overview based on monthly overview, and here is report details. You can filter due report, sales report, and profit and loss report. Here is the report summary. And main report is this one, sales report by terminal by employee. So this one is a crystal report. And then how to return the item. Just put invoice number and submit it, and then save it. If on an individual only, let's say this invoice has 3 items, but he wants to return only one, so just remove this one and then press it, and it will automatically adjust up to the stock. On another one is how to create. This is the create barcode creator. So here is print barcode. First create a barcode and then print it, or barcode machine. Here is another options. Just try which one support for you. On we already discussed about due list. So this is the due. So if you have any due, just click and then it will add. You can receive partial or full due amount. Okay, and then add expenses. You can add expense. So this is existing expense. You can upload receipt, whatever you have, you can upload receipt. This is the expense, how to add expense. This is expense amount. So based on your sales, your purchase, everything together, you will get a profit and loss report. Let's say this is your total, subtotal. This is sales subtotal, sales after discount, sales due amount, and if you have any expenses, it will display between this date. Let's go. I'll show you here. I don't see any expenses here. This between this date trend, so we see here return and expenses. That's its display. So it all together, you will get a total. So this is this amount in your cash. And next one is a display, kitchen display. What is kitchen display? This is especially not designed for general point of sales. This is for only those people who are gonna use a restaurant. So this is optional for restaurant, but we have individual restaurant point of sale system, but anyone can also use this one. If let's say this one is ready, so just click it here. You can print receipt or just complete the order. So they will not display again right away within a see. This is already high, so it's finished. And finally, we're going to discuss about the work manage how to add a new user. It's very simple. We have three user roles. One is admin, another one is manager, another one is salesman. So which one you like, just select it, or you can block the user, or you can delete it. Let's say you can delete the user. So you can delete the user. You can check a user working list from here, how many work. So every user has to be log in and log out. So based on login and log out, this is the work record, how many hours. Here is the hours based on monthly Excel sheet. Just filter out and explore the systems, very easy. If you have any confusions, you can also find the user manual and architecture of this program. So here the details how to do operations. And next one is here is very for the new user. After the test, you just reset the dummy data. So if you select, if you use SQLite, just select SQLite, or if you configure MySQL and SQL Server, just select SQL Server. So they will truncate sales story, return, and stuff. Other information if you want to do, let's say user, you have to do it manually, or you can do it from database, because it's open source project. We will not do everything from the application side. That's it. So mostly we cover everything. This is the chart list. You can filter it by monthly. I hope we cover all things. And one thing here is a category, so you can select category. Remember, category only display here. Remember, let's say if you add the one category, you will not see those category here. I think so. You will not see this category here. At least you have to add one item under this category. Let's say this one. So we can change this one. We just create this one. Okay. And later you can see this category here. See here. So at least first you have to add a category. and then add at least one item under the category. So here is just remove this one. And if you are not allowed to delete any sales record, if you wanna delete sales record, it will be very trouble for you. You just return item. That be good practice. If you wanna do sales, you have to delete from database. So thank you for listening. Thank you very much. If you have any questions about user, this video, or advanced point of sales, just text us, email, or just comment below. Thank you very much. Bye for now.